Okay, guys, I'm at this claw machine. Let's go for this fidget spinner. I'm gonna get this fidget spinner right here. It's like a green one. It's just in that box right there. If you could see it. I don't know what my plan is. Oh my God. So like, let's try to knock down this Care Bear real fast. I'll get that in just a minute. Now just tip it that way. Go. Oh my gosh, I honestly don't know.
I think that's like a decoy. I don't think it's capable of winning those.
Should I just go for this Care Bear, Mama?
If we can go around it.
What is it doing? Come on, now I'm gonna have to go for this. Just go. Oh my gosh. Mommy, I have an unequal number. I have 125. I need another quarter. I have 125.
You want to go do the time machine? Close out your video.
No, I need another quarter. I have 125.
Close out your video.
Okay, subscribe, share, like, comment, bye, boom.